Hello everyone, today we are going to redesign flashcards screen together. So as you can see, this is the flashcard that we have, and on the top we display how many user has flashcards to review and what is up next, and a tiny progress bar here for each level. So we have like 5 different levels, and if user answer correctly we go to the next one, right? So here we are going to redesign this screen, not anything else, because already I have redesigned this screen, which is quite nice, I believe. Like we have the book, we have the sentence, and if you click here you can also see behind, and if there is any additional grammar information needed, it would be here also, and it is like it can be swiped to the right or left, which is nice enough. So now I'm going to redesign this because I don't like it as this. So I did it by myself and I did it with Figma. Now I'm going to try to use Claude Design. So first of all, let's go here, take a screenshot, put the screenshot here. Give me 5 different variations of this flashcard overview screen for Mitlesen app. So it should already know everything about Mitlesen and the color and everything, but if there is any question, Claude will ask us. So let's go and see. If you compare my videos to like 2 years ago videos where we were just writing code and comparing to what I'm doing now, it's very much different. And nowadays we just ask AI to implement something, a new feature. I just check if everything is fine, if the quality is good enough. I cannot imagine what would happen after 2 years. It would be very different, I guess, from what we are doing right now. But so far I like it. As far as there is no mass layoff or there is no much changes in our job, I'm fine with it, and my job is much easier nowadays compared to what we were doing beforehand. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Hopefully everyone's job would be safe. I think it is ready. Let me go find it. So this is the new design that I did for the onboarding, like one screen onboarding. Okay, so here we have the flashcards. Let me just move myself to the left. Yes, so 5 different flashcards we have. Let's see which one is better, and do we want to change it or not. We have this one almost the same as what we have. The button, oh okay, so we have estimation here, for example. This one, what is up next? And I don't see a start button, like a review button here anymore. Total is 2, active is 2. I don't like this also. So here we have your words to do across 2 stories. Okay, it also added stories from your book. So the catch is I do not have all the story names. So that can be a problematic, because like this feature to save the book title I have added recently. So if user previously added any flashcard, they do not have the books. I don't like any of them. These are not good enough. 2 words are waiting. And okay, here is the flashcard itself. I like this part. We don't have a strike, like this feature we don't have in the app. Okay, so let me just ask another thing. So keep current design elements. I do not have strike or book title names in this screen, so avoid using them. Just improve what we have and for the new joiners it should be clear, and user should be able to see how many is done and what are the progress. So I believe the current design is good enough. That's why, like, what I have right now, like, I mean, this design, the shadow, everything is very nice and beautiful. Maybe I can use this one by removing this part. Okay, let's wait for the next cycle. If we don't like it, then we will work on this part. So I have added, with some tweak and comments, I came up to this design. So we have different designs. I mean, they are the same with different buttons here, right? So this was what different variation of the flashcards were, and these are the one that we have, that I have to only decide which button should we use. Okay, so there is a see all button here, but it is not. Let me just check one thing. View all we have here. Okay, view all is also here. So which is better? I'm just thinking. I mean, this is more like what we have right now. We are already displaying also this. I like this one more, but usually my buttons are in this color. Let me go with this. Okay, let's go and give a zip file so I can share it with Claude Code. So let's get the zip file. This is almost the same as what we have already, but it has box, better borders. Background also, I guess, has changed somehow. And the background of my screen and that screen aren't the same. But let's see. I'm gonna plan this with Claude Code. Let's see how it will end up and how it will look like. So let's wait for the result. So it is ready. Let me add this to the Mitlesen. I just copy paste it here. We have already another one, but let me remove that one. So this is there. Let's go to the Claude. Let me move myself to the down side of the screen. Okay. So we changed to plan, and we are going to, let's just check what is the, I mean, if you give more information to the Claude Code, it would be faster and it will use less token to implement. Instead of using grep all the time, it will be faster to find and start to work, and you're gonna just save some token. I have a lot token, but in case. So redesign as it is in, and let me know if you have any questions. That's it. Like, I don't go with long prompts or anything like that. Claude MDE does have most of the things that I need. So usually I just go like this very simple prompt I use. And mostly it is because the amount of, if I search for Claude.md, you would see, like, in the mobile itself, in the Claude, you have bunch of lines how to work on what. So usually I do not go with long prompts. It should know already what we are going to do. Let's wait for the planning to finish. Then we will check together. So there are a couple of questions. Let's read together. The design specifies Francis display. I guess this is the font. Reuse font, yes. The design main coral is use existing color, definitely. We are not going to change. I don't know why the color that I have in the Claude Design is different than what I have here, because I shared the same screenshots. Most probably at the first when I created this project on Claude Design, I put wrong fonts plus colors. That's why it is happening like this. The current view model texted next 3 do cards for up next. The design shows 2. I believe having 2 would be better because I see many users are not able to see the button. I want this mastery progress to be visible also. So let's go and up next equal to CTA shows full do count recommended. Okay, this is about the same. Like we are having 2 to review also here in the text. I mean, we already have this. Let's go with the recommended one. We have all the answers. Let's continue and wait for the plan. So plan is ready. Let's just check this together. Okay, redesign flashcard screen to hand off a solid coral pill. Approach flashcard content full layout redesign correct. I don't go deep, right? So new stats card layout replacing learning dashboard car. Up next, word tightening, okay. Mastery distribution card, remove the title. Okay, so it is going to remove the title from the box and putting it beforehand. The color we have, I don't want to change the color here, so I will ask to do that. Flashcards view model count stream. That's fine, that's fine. Okay, do not change the color. Mastery. Do not change the mastery color palette. Keep the current colors because I like it. It should be very like solid colors. I want it sharp. Let's wait for the updated plan. Okay, plan to preview. Let's wait. Hopefully it's gonna be fast. So right now we have the old design. Let me find the old design. Screenshot. We have the old design screenshot. And we will compare it with the new design. And we will see if it is better or not. So the plan definitely. Let me just quickly check the palette part. Message card. Okay. Flashcard content. Yes. Erase the palette. I think it is not mentioning anything about the palette or something view mode. Okay, so you see like whatever decision it was also made for the spacing, I'm using this. Also, I wrote it here in the Mitlesen mobile cloud.md, so it's going to reuse that, which is amazing. About the primary button we have, I couldn't find anything about the palette that we said. I mean, it is not going to change those colors, but somewhere it should also tell that I'm not going fonts or counts. Anyway, it should be fine. Let's implement and see how it is. It is almost done. I mean, the code is done, so it is trying to make sure that it is compilable. Maybe also it tries to launch the app. Like, let me just have the app emulator here. I guess it's, yeah, like we weren't in the home. So what I'm doing here, I have added under the skill. So now Claude can just open the app and interact with the app and check different things. You see that it is taking initial screenshot to see what is happening. No feature data found in this. Okay, it is trying to find this button, I believe. Okay, but before that, let me just quickly check the code for okay, so this we will remove. I don't add these to the GitHub repo. And flashcards screen content we have. Let's check the preview. view model, what has changed? Okay, from 3 it become 2. And master distrib, okay, this is the one that displays the color is the same as you can see here. We didn't change the color. Master vision card, okay, this is fine. Let me just go to the preview. I like the colors, the boundaries. These borders are much better than what we have currently. And just let me quickly check what is the differences here. We were using a scaffold, so there is a problem with my scaffold, so with my design. Like, see, it just opened these flashcards to double check if everything is fine or not. You see, redesign is live on the emulator. So this is what we needed, and this is also very nice, better than what we have, but I will compare. Just so status bar is transparent, so everything can go behind, and Claude has a problem with that. Always it tries to add some edge cases to make sure that the content and these status bar are not going to overlap. It is my intention to have this something like this, but anyway, I will fix this later. We go down here, we were having item is gone, so it has added flashcards header, see, in another compose function, which is quite good, better, cleaner code we're gonna get. I already told what design, how to write code, like clean code. It should be clean architecture, and all the whatever Google already told we are going to follow. I'm just double checking that it didn't create some nonsense stuff. So foo section header, I don't know what is foo section, but anyway, so it is another, so it doesn't just add in the code, it creates another composable and move everything's there. And you see flashcards header, we have foo section header, I don't know what is it, row text. Oh, okay, this is the part that we go for view all, I believe, like this one. So this animation we already had, okay, so this is not new. So this looks good, color, everything. And let me just do one thing. So for example, I know I forgot done. It goes something like this: want to review, master 0, total verse 2. Fine. So there should be up next only one. When we click open, I like the shadow. Nice, I liked it. So I'm going to push these changes. And one other thing, we are going to compare. So we have this, which was the design before, and we have this one. This is much better, much cleaner, much more understandable. So it has, the spaces are very nice. I like it much more. So as you can see, it is quite a change. Like, I really like this a lot. You see the button, how button is much better. I have to check what it did to the button. Let me just quickly check what is happening with the button. I don't know where is the button. Okay, we click here, we go to the button, row button. So this is a row, this is a button. That, oh, so this part is the button. Okay, you see it has added a shadow to the button. I really liked it. Most probably it was in the design here. I'm not able to, you see there is a shadow here. Okay, that's why it also added the shadow. But the catch is, I already have primary button, or button, maybe it's the same button as I have. Yeah, this is my button. So this button now has a shadow. Let me do one thing, explore and see if we can have this shadow in the button component itself. Not for now, but for later, I will try to add this shadow inside of my component that I have. This is my button that I have, different style. So right now it just added the shadow here, but it depends where I'm using it. I don't want to add shadow to all the buttons that I already have. So that's why I have left this comment. Let's see how it will be. I will try to run the app and test it on my physical device to see if everything is okay. Then I will push the changes. So that's it. And see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.